This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, sir. This is the brief about the sixth semester VLSI program that is being targeted for the BTech pursuing students. As you can see, this program is spread over 6 semesters, starting from the first semester till the sixth semester. So in this, majorly we are going to divide the batches into two streams. One is VLSI front-end domain stream. One is the VLSI backend domain stream. So as part of that, initial 3 semesters, semester 1 to semester 3, will have common courses for both the streams. So as you can see, entire stream is divided into two. The entire batch is divided into two streams, and the initial 1 to 3 semester courses will be common for both the stream. The fourth to sixth semester courses will be as per the selected stream. Now, why this division is important is because there are times where student has inclination towards programming. In some cases, a student doesn't have that inclination and he doesn't really find it enjoying experience to do the programming. So that is where this would be a good division. So this is for the people who find the programming to be interesting. Like let's say they have done C++ during their BTech first year or even before that, and they have liked that experience. So they can choose front end domain. For the people who didn't like that, they can choose backend domain. So that way we want to give this choice of among choosing these two domains to the students, rather than saying that you have to do system verilog, you have to do compulsorily entire verilog. So we'll do this division. Now let us try to understand what will be the course outcome. See, since we are spreading the learning over 6 semesters, it gives ample time to the participants to slowly and efficiently learn the subject. See, rather than trying to push everything in a 6 months compressed duration, we are spreading it over 6 semesters. So it will give them enough time for them to develop the interest, develop the passion to the subject, and spend more time from their side to become expert with the subject. And it will prepare the student for both campus placements and the job. Once they get into the job, they will be able to do well in the job. Even the people who are joining some companies as an intern, this knowledge will be helpful when they join into the intern position. And they would have gained expertise with Verilog from design and verification expertise. And those who join into front end domain stream, they would gain expertise with system verilog functional verification expertise from specification to coverage closure. As you see here, we are not trying to cover too many things, because rather than doing too many things, we are trying to focus on three major aspects: digital verilog and system verilog from a front end domain perspective, so that fewer things we do and more in depth we do, that will be better from a participant perspective. And even when he goes to the interview, that is what interview companies appreciate. Okay, now talking about the schedules, you see here we are talking about the front end domain. In the next part of this video, we'll be talking about the back end domain stream as well. See, the schedule will be completely as per the college and the student requirements, and we will be providing classroom training with access to recorded videos of all the sessions. I mean, this is mostly for the colleges which are based in Bangalore or nearby Bangalore. In other cases, we may have to go for a hybrid model where we do part of the sessions in classroom and part of the sessions online. And I will be one of the trainers, Srinivas Reddy. I'll be one of the trainer, and we have other trainers like Kaushik and other. I mean, it's just in this case, we two are the trainer. Depending upon the domain, depending upon the time, there could be other trainers who will be offering this course. Now, how this course has been divided into: at top level, we are dividing the course into 6 semesters. Semester 1 and semester 2 is focused on introduction to digital design and analog design. As you see here, the people who are in semester 1, they're just freshly out of their college, the PUC or +2. So they would be familiar with a little bit of digital and analog concepts. So here we want to take them deep into digital design and analog design concepts, so that it lays a strong foundation for them to learn the advanced aspects of the VLSI. Now it could be into digital, it could be into analog, it could be into front end domain, it could be into back end domain. Now the semester 3 and 4 will be focused on Verilog language and hands-on projects. It is for front end domain students. As you see here, this would be common for everyone. This part of the thing will be common for both front end domain stream and back end domain stream. Reason is because it doesn't matter what which company comes, they would most of the time focus on these concepts. Now, talking about semester 5 and 6, we'll be more focusing on System Verilog language training as part of one semester, and how to use System Verilog for functional verification in the other semester. So this is how it's majorly spread. Then down you can see the detailed syllabus breakup. So instead of going as semester 1 and semester 2 separately, we are taking semester 1 and 2 as one unit. So where we'll be introducing them to all the aspects of digital design completely from a practical usage perspective. I mean, not just theoretically, starting from number systems, radix conversions, K-maps. It covers everything, even to the advanced aspects of FSM implementation, Mealy Moore FSMs, how to implement them using different types of flip-flops, and the concept of synchronizers, the concept of flip-flops, and how to implement the counters and shift registers using flip-flops and latches. Then the concept of frequency division and frequency multiplication. Everything we'll be talking about. Now, coming to unlock design, we'll be talking about how to what is CMOS, what is FinFET, how to implement logic gates using CMOS, and how to analyze CMOS circuits using HSPICE simulation. So all those kind of aspects we'll be touching upon in the advanced part of the unlock designs. Advanced means, see, from a BTech first year's first perspective, this would be the advanced aspects for them. Now, talking about semester 3 and 4, again talking from a VLSI front-end domain engineer perspective, we'll be introducing them to the depth of Verilog language, and then we'll be in one of the following semester, that is semester 4, we'll be taking few hands-on design examples like memory, pattern detector, synchronous FIFO, asynchronous FIFO, and we'll be implementing those designs using Verilog and developing the test bench using Verilog. Now, going to the fifth and sixth semester, will be focused on system Verilog functional verification. I mean, system Verilog language, and how to verify a design using a system Verilog. You see, asynchronous FIFO we have already developed as part of the Verilog project, Verilog course. The same design will take, and we'll be implementing the functional verification for that design using system Verilog. Now, why this much is being covered? Why not more than that? Why not any standard protocols like AXIHBs? The fact that we are doing a training over 6 semester and spread over 35 hours per semester, it adds up to around 210 plus hours. Within these hours, this is the best that can be done, and we don't want to be over ambitious in delivering this course. And given that these students who are pursuing this course have other regular courses they have to work on, so we are trying to keep the things limited but more deep into these limited topics. So this is a brief about VLSI front-end domain stream. And regarding the schedule and any, if you are interested in, I mean, if your college is interested in engaging with our institute, VLSI Guru Institute, for this program, please connect to us, and you can find all the details here. You can write us email, or you can call us on this number, so that we can share more details regarding the pricing. And generally, pricing is in line with the college expectation, and we understand that even if it is the cost is passed on to the student, or even if college has to afford the cost, it has to be reasonable, and we cannot keep it the way we charge to the regular students in our institute. So it will be charged quite reasonably. Now let us talk about the backend domain courses. See, the initial three semester courses will be exactly same, because as I said, anytime you go, the candidate appears for an interview, or even when he gets into job, this unlock design concepts and digital design concepts and the basics of Verilog language is required for everyone. Even this would be helpful even if they get into some other job domain like software domain, because here they will gain exposure to the basic programming concepts. Now, talking about backend domain concepts, uh, the semester 4 and 4 till 6 is where it differs. Okay, so in the semester 4, we'll introduce them to the VLSI backend concepts like semiconductors, CMOS, FinFET, all those fundamentals. Then we'll be talking about IC fabrication concepts. Then we'll introduce them to Linux operating system, how to work on Linux, and how to work with the TCL scripting basics. Then we'll be talking about in semester 5 and 6, we'll be going deep into physical design flow with hands-on project. So as part of that, we'll be teaching the entire physical design flow, starting from input file, setting up the database, then importing the design files, then doing the entire PNR flow, floor plan, placement, CTS routing. Then we'll be doing sign-off flow. Then we'll be doing one hands-on project using Cadence Innovus or Synopsys flow, based on what tools the college has. So we can set up the project in their labs, their servers, and we can help the students practice everything in the college servers itself. So this is one, this is the second domain that we can offer to the college. And other convenience we can do give to the student in both the domains is the timings and the schedule can be completely as per the college requirements. Let's say if the college wants us to finish this whole thing in a 1 month time, or initial between 1.5 months, because over the semester generally students will be free mostly during the middle of the semester, so we can spread the course over the middle of semester. Even we can keep the sessions uh, during the weekdays or even during the weekends completely as per the college requirements. And every session we do, we will be recording that video and we'll be providing students with access to those recorded videos. And we will also allot one dedicated trainer, and we can create one dedicated WhatsApp group where the student can be connected to the trainer for any quick doubt clarifications. There might be students who are going through the assignments, and they may need support with doubt clarification. We can have trainer allotted for that. And we will also have a assessment program where we will be conducting 2 or 3 assessments during this period, and we will provide the feedback to the college how the students are doing. And if we find that some student is not at all putting any effort, and he should not continue to the course in the next semester, we'll also inform all this feedback to the college, and accordingly college management can take the required decision. And we will also conduct mock interviews on the topics that have been covered, so that it prepares them for the final job placement campus placements. So this is a brief about this course. As I said before, if your college is interested in partnering with us for this program, you can connect with us on this email or this mobile number. Thank you so much.